you let me your number.
Yes.
And in my home.
Okay.
I take all picture, video.
Okay.
And I send you.
Okay, no problem.
Understand?
Okay, thank you.
Like beautiful shirt.
Okay. This is your sister, your friend from Divine Hair Boutique, Malaga, Spain. This is what we did today. We did Rasta today. This is our work for today. So look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the Rasta for today. This is what we did. This is what we did for today. Look at the Rasta we did for today. So thank you very much for watching us. Please click the bell so that when we upload the next video you will be notified. Thank you very much for subscribing. God will bless you all. Thank you for liking our